Hi everyone, welcome to Take and Make Crafts. Today we're going to be making a horse or a unicorn out of a paper roll. For this we'll need a paper roll, horse head shapes, 4 popsicle sticks, 1 toothpick or skewer, yarn, foam strips, scissors, tape, glue, and paint. We're going to start by preparing our horse heads. So now I'm going to paint these, and I'm going to paint the opposite sides so that when I put the 2 horse heads together, both sides will be painted. I'm going to let the horse heads dry, and in the meantime I'm going to paint the cardboard tube. You can make your horse or unicorn's mane and tail with foam sheets, in which case you can cut out strips and then layer them together. So this would be the start of a tail. And if you want to use yarn, you can wind it around your fingers and then use your scissors to cut through one side of the loops. So now I have a little bit of mane here. For the tail, you would do the same thing, just a little longer. So maybe wind the yarn around 4 of your fingers. Again, I pinch it on one side and cut through the loops on the other side. And then I'm going to wrap tape around the end that I'm holding, just so it doesn't fall apart. Now my tail and my mane are ready to be glued onto. And if you want the horse to be a unicorn, you can use the foam to cut out the shape of a horn and stick it in between the 2 horse heads around his forehead. Mane onto. I'm going to take my skewer and break it in half and stick it on the white part of the horse head. let a little bit of the skewer stick out from beneath the head, because that's what we're going to use to put the head into the paper roll. And I'm going to take my glue and put some along the edge of the horse face. I'm going to take my mane and use the skewer to place the yarn onto the glue. Now I'm going to put glue on the white side of the other horse head. And I'm going to put them together, and I'm going to sandwich the yarn and the skewer between the two heads. You can paint the popsicle sticks that will be the horse's legs, or you can leave them as is. I'm going to add some hooves at the bottom. Now I'm going to use my scissors to make 4 holes on the underside of the paper roll. That's where we're going to put the legs. I'm just going to pinch, make a little hole, and then widen it a little bit. And I'm also going to make a small hole on the top for the head. I'm going to put the legs into the holes we made for them. Next, I'm going to take the tail and glue it to the underside of the horse, inside the tube. And finally, I'm going to take the horse head and slip the skewer into the hole we made for it previously. And here we go. If you'd rather have a giraffe than a horse, you can leave your skewer long. And if you'd like to have a Pegasus, you can use the foam to make some wings for your horse. Thank you for joining me for taking my crafts, and I will see you next time. Bye.